Hello, I'm Pastor Nick Hood, and Helen Love asked me if I would talk a little bit about cooking in the pandemic. And to be honest, I've only been cooking, I think it's 17 or 18 years. Now that may sound like a long time, but I'm in my 44th, 45th year of marriage. And I started cooking because some ladies in the church were so proud to have a bake sale every month. And I told them, I said, some of the younger women who came into the club with the older women, I said, if you chair the bake sale, I will make cookies. And I had a lot of nerve because I had never made a cookie in my life, but I started baking, and I've been baking once a month with these ladies for a number of years. Along the way, I thought I was getting pretty good with the baking. My father really ribbed me. He said, Nick, your cookies and your cakes are fine. He said, but why don't you learn how to make an entree? And so I'm so sorry my dad is dead now, but I've started cooking. And my wife Denise is helping me. And I want to show you one of the things that I've been doing. I've been making dinners almost every day during the pandemic for my wife and me. And I want to show you how I do it because I'm not a great cook. One of the things I do is I go to the store and I buy, this is one of the meals I make. I'm going to make cabbage and sausage. And so here's the cabbage. It's already pre-sliced, as you can see it. And here's the sausage. Over here, Denise, can you move the, my wife is the camera woman tonight. Can you see the sausage? I've also purchased from the store onion that's already cut up to make it easier for me. And so I'm going to show you how I make this. This is a quick dinner. And come back over here. And Denise, we start with a little olive oil for the cabbage. And then I'm going to turn the fire on. And I'm going to take the cabbage, which again, has already been sliced because I don't want to do that. And it's just taken me a while to, learn that you don't have to do everything. So I'm going to put the cabbage in the pan. I have onions that have already been sliced up because when I cut them, I always start to cry. And then I'm going to take the sausage and I'm going to put them in the pan. Now, Denise, I want you to stop the camera. We're going to let the food cook for a minute. And then here we are at the end of the meal. It looks like this on the plate. And you can see it's still in the pan. All right. God bless. God keep you. And I encourage all the men who are looking at this, try cooking. You'll be surprised how much your wife will appreciate it. Thank you, Denise.